If you click on the Fluids library, you see a list of materials with predefined properties. These materials are ready to be used. However, if you don't find the material you are looking for, you can add your own custom material by clicking the Add Material button in the top right corner. Here, you first need to enter the material name. Let's, for example, call it Custom Water. If you want, you can also add a description. For fluids, 4 properties need to be set: the density, the dynamic viscosity, the specific heat capacity, and the conductivity of the material. Optionally, if buoyancy will be enabled for a region, the thermal expansion coefficient beta, expressed in 1/Kelvin, also needs to be set to the material which will be assigned to that region. It can be specified either as a constant value or as an array with polynomial coefficients to include temperature dependency. When you are done entering the material properties, you can click the Add Material button and a new material will be created. From now on, it's available in the Fluids libraries and can be used in your simulations or designs.